Hey folks, how you doing? Welcome to the channel. It's the 23rd of December. Not done a lot today, just wrapping Christmas presents. You know what it's like. Take a couple hours to wrap all the presents up, so didn't bother going out riding anywhere. Just a bit of a rest day really. Anyway, as you can probably tell by the video title, today is a bit of a giveaway, and I've got this here. It's the Odoland Camping Cookware Kit, which I was given as a Secret Santa present last Christmas, and it still remains in the box, so I thought I'd want to gift it to somebody else, to a lucky winner. And to be in with a chance of winning this, I'll open it in just a moment. All you need to do is head down into comments below. I just want you to explain why you want to win this, what you're going to use it for, and I'll pick a winner on the 10th of January. I'm going to use one of these random comment pickers in the new year, so please get involved down in the comments below. Tell me why you want to win this. Okay, so what actually is this? I'll tell you what, we're going to watch a video together and it'll show you what it is, and then we'll get this box opened up and take a look inside. Here is the exact item on Amazon. It's the Odoland Camping Cookware Kit, outdoor cooking set, loads of words. They always do, they put all the words in there. And as you can see in the video, we're going to watch that now. Price is currently £28.99. So that was what it was. It does, of course, it doesn't come with the actual butane gas itself. You have to go and buy one of those. But this is the box it came in. I've had a quick look in it to make sure there's nothing missing, but everything is how it came to me this time last year. So let's take a look inside, shall we? So the whole thing comes in this nice carrying case and a nice bright orange rope, so you can easily find it if you put it down on the ground somewhere while you're busy camping. Now it's reasonably compact, and it's got these handles on the main top, the main body of the camping stove just there, as well as on this lid area as well. Could that just put that down for a moment? That acts as a second container. What else is inside here? So if I just take a look, I've got this orange thing. What is inside is the actual stove piece itself, which you'll connect to your gas canister. So I'll just pop that back in there so it's nice and neat and tidy. You've got the shaker for your nice hot coffee or tea, and it comes with this silicone protector to wrap around it as well. So if you've got a hot drink, you just bring that up to the middle there or the top, and you hold it there, stop your hands getting burnt. So it comes with that as well. Got this. I shall leave this unopened, but it's got a folding knife and fork in there, I think. Folding knife and fork. Yeah. Can you see that? Nope, moved it the wrong way. Folding knife and fork, and the stainless steel cup with silicone protector. I always want to do that. All the YouTubers seem to do that with the packaging, but I mustn't break the box because it needs to go on lucky winner. So again, if you want to be in chance with winning this, let's have a measurement inside. 800 millilitres. That's a pretty good size actually. It's not too large, not too small. It feels pretty good built. If you want to check it out for yourself, it is on Amazon, as you just saw on that video. It's the Odoland Cookware. They are not sponsoring this video in a shape or form. It was basically a Secret Santa I got given last Christmas. I'm not sure who bought me actually, I still don't know. They've kept it a good secret all year long. If you want to win this, it's open to anybody who lives in the UK mainland. I'll be picking a winner again on the 10th of January. All you got to do is tell me why you want to win this down in the comments below. What I'd also like to see you do as well, if you can please share this video on social media, on Facebook, Instagram. Anybody you might think of interested in winning this, that Facebook group all about camping, perhaps pop it on there as well. I'm also in front of the camera right now. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve, but if the next video doesn't look very appealing to you, I'll take this opportunity to say Merry Christmas, and hopefully you'll continue to watch during the Christmas period. There'll be a video all the way through till the end of the year. Here we have it, the Odoland Camping Cookware Kit. Once again, entries will close on the 10th, Tuesday the 10th of January 2023. So that's it for me. Good luck if you're entering the competition. I shall see you again tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.